Do you want to create a logo for yourself? If yes, I will show you an easy way to create a logo without much effort. Open Google and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the result titled Leonardo AI Image Generate. Sign in using your Google account. Click Get Start. Click Image Creation. Once logged in, you'll see the interface ... Type in the style or type of logo you want. Then click Generate. Just wait few seconds. And you will get result. After generating the logo, download it directly. Thank you for watching the video.